Hello everyone, this is Tanfon Solar Factory. Some of you are testing 100 kilowatt solar power system. This 100 kilowatt solar power system has 84 pieces solar peak and one set of 100 kilowatts industry inverter and one set of 200 kilowatt hour lithium batteries. And for this our industry inverter, it has the EMS function, and you can check the system working on your computer. It will show how the solar pin, the inverter, and the lithium battery and the node also connected with the CT grid. The 100 kilowatt solar power system will use for the hotel with heated air conditioners. If you also have requirement for the hotel, the supermarket, the school, and the factory, welcome to contact us. We will help you to find the suitable solution to save your electricity.